I put 3 AIs to generate me a model from a picture to check if they can be usable or not. Let's find out. We will be looking at shape, topology, and texture. Our main goal is to see which one is better. I used ChatGPT to generate a reference image of a sword, then I uploaded this image to every 3D AI generator. I used Ronin from Hyper3D, Mesh AI, and Triple AI. The link for all of them will be in the description. Let's go to Blender to check the results. Here are the 3D models. Let's start by comparing the shape with the actual reference image. The first one is from Rodin. The overall shape is looking quite good. The blade really matches the image. However, the handle is too flat and the details to create the shape are not there. I will still give this a 6 out of 10. Moving forward to Mesh AI, the overall shape is looking like it was sculpted. The blade is not uniform and does not match the image. The handle is looking similar, but again the details are not there at all, especially on the part that covers the blade. The AI didn't recognize that this is a different object and merged that with the blade. Unfortunately, the rating for this one is 4 out of 10. And the last but not least, let's take a look at the model from Triple AI. The overall shape is matching the image pretty well. The blade is a little bit less wide and the main part of the handle is not as straight as it is in the picture, but the details are there. It's not perfect, but compared to the others, this did a great job. 8 out of 10. Speaking of topology, every model is made out of triangles. They are really hard to modify if you want to change the shape. That's why it is important to get the shape as perfect as possible. We can use the Decimate modifier to lower the triangle count and make it game ready, but this is all we can do to it. If you think that they can be modified, please let me know in the comments below. Next, let's talk about the materials. The one from Rodin is almost the same as the image, with a little imperfection here, but overall it looks really well, even though it seems that it has a low resolution. I will give this a 8 out of 10. The one from Mesh AI has nothing to do with our image. It looks like a completely different sword and it also has a lot of imperfections here and there. It could be a nice asset in a game, but it doesn't match our reference. I will give this 2 out of 10. Finally, the one from Triple AI has a very metallic look and it doesn't fit entirely the reference image. I will see the handle in a matte color and a glowing blade. However, the colors are there and it tried to keep the same look as in the picture. I will give this a 6 out of 10. The conclusions are here. I believe that the winner is the model from the Rodin AI. Even though it doesn't have the base shape, the fact that the materials are good, it makes the sword to look really well, and with a bit of adjustments, it can be a very nice game asset. In the end, the AI will start to help us more and more in the modeling process, but I think that it will not replace our job. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comments below, and have a good one.